what does data literacy mean, right? So we know data seems like it's broadly just almost anything, right? Then what could data literacy mean? So let's take one more minute, see if we can't engage folks here by starting off with a poll. And I ask you, what is data literacy? This time with a single choice select question. Answer 1, is it the ability to read numbers? 2, the ability to talk about data to others? 3, the ability to read and write using data? Or 4, the ability to read, write, and speak about data in context? All right. Well, it seems that the last one, answer 4, was the resounding winner, the ability to read, write, and speak about data in context. And I'll tell you that that is typically the one that I go to. The interesting thing about what is data literacy is that it's the concept itself and the definition is made complicated by the fact that there are multiple definitions and some really great definitions. And there are definitions, for example, the 2015 Data Pop Alliance wrote in their white paper, the white paper that was titled Beyond Data Literacy, Reinventing Community Engagement and Empowerment in the Age of Data. The data literacy is the desire and ability to constructively engage in society through or about data. So that was 2015, and that was really on the heels of the United Nations work with the data revolution and the post-2015 report. And then in a 2019 publication titled A Data and Analytics Leader's Guide to Data Literacy, Gartner, which is a widely known research and consultation firm, says that that data literacy is the ability to read, write, and communicate data in context, including an understanding of data sources and constructs, analytical methods and techniques applied, and the ability to describe the use case, application, and resulting value. Well, I can tell you that that definition perhaps is one of the reasons why I stick with reading, writing, and speaking about data in context. The Gartner definition certainly seemed, as I was taking it in, to really span a tremendous amount of knowledge, skills, and abilities. And 2.5 years ago, as a member of the Institutional Research Office at RIT, I had been tasked with developing a data literacy program that could essentially be the rising tide to lift all boats, if you will, right? Well, when you take a look at that Gartner article, that would have needed to be quite a tide. I'm saying, open the dams. We're going to need a lot of water here because there's a lot of knowledge. And so I began to explore the idea of knowledge acquisition and how do people learn and use knowledge in a progressive sort of way. And so I came up with the concept of the data literacy continuum.